Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Bitcoin Case, and today we will be reviewing BTC Clicks. BTC Clicks is one of the oldest and best online crypto earning sites. On BTC Clicks, you can earn just Bitcoin, and it is a paid-to-click site where you are paid for viewing advertisements for a certain amount of time. Like most sites, very simple to sign up, username or email, password, verify everything, and log in, and you'll be on the dashboard here that you see on screen. As always with any sites that you log into online, you'll want to set up two-factor authentication, and you can set that up in your account details. Here on the dashboard, you can see your account stats and info here, how many ads you've clicked, your current balance, total withdrawals, purchase balance, membership status, and once you upgrade, it'll let you know here when it expires. And also here, you can get your affiliate link right from the dashboard. Also, you can see the deposit to purchase balance button here, as well as withdraw. Here over here, once you click some ads, you'll be able to see what you've done for about the previous week. And when we scroll down further, you can see your referral statistics here, your direct referrals, rented referrals, total amount of clicks your referrals have made, and same here if you rent referrals. And you'll see here there's a button to rent referrals as well. And if we scroll down a little bit further here, now if you look up here at my balance, you see we have 26,174 Satoshi. BTC Clicks gives you the option down here at the bottom with this blue button. You can change that to MBTC, and you'll see it changes up here in my balance. And you can change it also to bits, as you'll see here. I like to keep it on Bitcoin. Much easier to look at everything that way. Next on the tabs up here is the withdraw button. You'll simply just put in your Bitcoin address and click withdraw. And if you have two-factor authentication set up, which you should, you'll then have to enter that as well. And then you will also verify in your email that you do in fact wish to withdraw. If you don't verify the email, they will not send payment until you do so. Let's take a look at the referrals tab. You see here you can rent referrals. You can take a look at your rented referrals there and your direct referrals. Let's take a look at rent referrals here. I've been a member of this site about 4 years, and not very often have I seen any referrals available. I have never rented referrals on this site, but it is a good way to earn. And you can see here the price per referral per day is 30 Satoshi. And if you ever rent referrals, you can click the rented referrals tab and you'll be able to see all of their activity and how much they made for you. And when you go to the direct referrals tab here, you can see all of your referrals, the date they signed up, the last time they've clicked, their total clicks, and whether or not they verified their email. premium membership simply doubles your ad click rewards, and it also doubles the amount that you receive from your referrals. Now this price goes up and down depending on the price of Bitcoin. And as you can see, a 90-day membership is just 54,000 Satoshi. 180 days or 6 months, 108,000 Satoshi. And 1 full year, just 172,800 Satoshi. So very cost effective. One of the cheapest upgrades in the industry. On the history tab, you can view deposits, withdrawals, and your purchases. In the referral and affiliate tools tab, here's where you can select the different types of banners that you'd like to use, if using banners. If you just want to post your referral link, that's going to be here. And you see from here, you can share it directly to Facebook or directly to Twitter right from your account here. And then the last one is your normal account details, like most sites, where you can view your personal information, change it if necessary, and that's also where you will set up your two-factor authentication, which again, I 100% recommend. So let's take a look finally here, how you earn on BTCCLICKS. Just one way to earn, you surf ads. Here you can see the advertisements listed, how much Satoshi you will receive for viewing the ad, and how long you need to view the ad for. Currently there are 21 advertisements, which is about the average that I normally see here on BTCCLICKS. So let's do one of the 10-second ads here for you. You just simply click the title, and like most paid-to-click sites, a new tab will open. And we'll just go ahead and do this. Trucks, semis. I think just one there. Okay. Once you've completed the capture, the advertisement will load. And this one's a little slow. And then you'll see the timer start here. Once this reaches 0, there's a captcha again. Select the buses, verify, and submit. And you'll see here, paid to Satoshi. Once you see this, you can then close that tab and come back to the earning section. Now you'll see they let you know that you've clicked this ad and earned, so you'll know which ones you finished. You can also, if you would like to view some of the ads again, you can click Archived Advertisements. And this will give you a list of quite a few ads that have been shown on BTCCLICKS. So if you're interested in finding one, it's there. You can also advertise on BTCCLICKS like most paid-to-click sites. And you'll see the instructions here and features for setting up advertisements. Pretty simple to set up. Here the base cost at the current time is 12 Satoshi for a 10-second ad. Very cost effective, and I have used BTCCLICKS for advertising, and it is very, very effective. So from here, we'll go to the dashboard. And as you can see, since we clicked one ad, we have it here. And one thing I want to point out is it is definitely worth your time to refer to BTCCLICKS. As you can see, over the years, I've cashed out nearly 12 million Satoshi. with 3,000 or so direct referrals, and soon I'll hit the milestone of 1 million direct referral clicks. Now this is over years and years. This took a while, but as you can see, it was well worth my time and efforts to refer here. And in your purchase balance, you can also move from your balance here to your purchase balance if you would like to purchase the upgrade. Also a help button here that just takes you to the FAQ section. And if you don't find the answer to your question, you can click contact and ask BTC Clicks for help. Now here you'll see advertiser login. You'll use the same details you use to log in here on the earner dashboard. They just keep it separated. And before we give our rating here of BTC Clicks, I would like to explain why BTC Clicks has lasted longer than most online earning sites, especially paid-to-click sites. As you saw, it's 12 Satoshi per view. And the maximum amount of that they would pay out is 9 or 10 Satoshi. And so they always make profit, and you receive your earnings as well as that from your referrals. So the site stays stable. And again, could be wrong, I've been here 4 years, but if you see, the site has been around since 2013, one of the longest running Bitcoin earning sites, and it's never too late to join. With that said, I definitely give BTC Clicks a 100% legit paying rating. This is one of the very best sites to earn free Bitcoin online, and I would recommend it to anyone and everyone looking to earn some Bitcoin online. Thanks for checking out the video today. I'm Bitcoin Case, and I'll see you next time.